Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. Dreaming of a bathroom that feels fresh, stylish, and a little more like a personal retreat? You're in the right place. Today, it's all about modern remodel ideas that make a big impact without feeling overwhelming. Whether you're working with a small powder room or a spacious master bath, these timeless updates can instantly refresh the look and feel of your space. Get ready to discover easy, inspiring ways to create a bathroom that feels clean, functional, and effortlessly beautiful. One of the easiest ways to give a bathroom a modern lift is by installing a floating vanity. These wall-mounted designs create a clean, open feel by exposing more floor space, which makes even smaller bathrooms look bigger and brighter. Materials like rich wood, glossy lacquer, or matte finishes add personality, while sleek hardware keeps the look streamlined. Pairing a floating vanity with a minimalist sink and wall-mounted faucets can make the whole setup feel even more polished and contemporary. It's a simple upgrade that instantly sets the tone for a stylish, modern space. Nothing says modern quite like a walk-in shower with frameless glass. It instantly makes a bathroom feel larger, brighter, and more luxurious by letting the light flow through the space without any visual barriers. Frameless designs offer a crisp, clean look that works beautifully with everything from bold tile patterns to simple stone finishes. Adding features like a rainfall shower head, a handheld sprayer, or built-in shelving can turn a basic shower into a full spa-like experience. It's a design move that feels fresh, open, and effortlessly stylish. When it comes to modern bathroom remodels, statement tiles and bold textures are game changers. Instead of sticking to plain walls, large format tiles, geometric patterns, or even textured surfaces can add instant depth and personality. Think about full accent walls behind the vanity or inside the shower to create a striking focal point. Soft neutral tones keep the look sophisticated, while layered textures bring warmth and interest. Whether it's a herringbone layout, 3D tiles, or a simple matte finish, the right tile choice can completely transform the space without feeling overdone. Lighting can completely change the way a bathroom feels, and modern designs keep it clean yet creative. Minimalist fixtures with sleek lines are a favorite, but adding a twist, like an unexpected pendant light or a sculptural wall sconce, brings character to the space. Layering different types of lighting, from soft ambient lights to brighter task lighting around the mirror, helps create a balanced, welcoming atmosphere. It's all about combining simplicity with just enough personality to make the space shine. Bringing natural elements into your bathroom design can instantly create a calming, spa-like atmosphere. Materials like wood, stone, and bamboo add warmth and texture, making the space feel grounded and inviting. Consider a wooden vanity or shelving to introduce organic tones, or use stone tiles for a touch of rustic elegance. Incorporating greenery, such as potted plants or hanging vines, can enhance the connection to nature and improve air quality. Soft, earthy color palettes, think shades of beige, terracotta, or muted greens, complement these materials beautifully, resulting in a serene and harmonious bathroom retreat. Incorporating smart features into your bathroom remodel can truly elevate both its style and functionality. From touchless faucets to self-cleaning toilets, these innovations make daily tasks feel easier and more luxurious. Imagine stepping into a bathroom where the heated floors automatically adjust to the perfect temperature, or your mirror lights up as you approach, just the way you like it. Smart showers with digital controls allow you to adjust water temperature and pressure with a tap, while a smart thermostat can keep your bathroom cozy, ensuring your towels are always warm. These modern touches seamlessly blend comfort and cutting-edge technology, turning your bathroom into a space that's not only beautiful but also incredibly efficient and enjoyable to use. There you have it, some of the best modern bathroom remodel ideas that can completely refresh your space. Whether it's sleek floating vanities, frameless glass showers, or smart technology, these design updates are sure to elevate your bathroom into a stylish, functional retreat. Remember, a few simple changes can make a big difference. Don't be afraid to mix and match these ideas to fit your personal style and needs. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.